Good afternoon, students. Welcome to day 14 class. Today we are going to discuss about measurement of value. Yes, already we discussed the meaning by value and convert the liter to milliliter, then milliliter to liter, bigger to smaller, smaller to bigger. Already we converted. Then next we have discussed addition of value. How to add the value problems. That one also we discussed. Now we are going to discuss about subtraction of value. Subtraction of value. It is very important point how to subtract value problems. Yes, sir. But you know already subtracted length and also weight. There you have to subtract kg to kg and gram to gram. Here liter to liter, milliliter to milliliter. You have to subtract. Understand? But already we know how to subtract. Example, they are given this type examples. Subtract 77 liter from 99 liter. It is very easy question. What is the given question? Subtract 77 liter from 99 liter. Nodri, this one you have to subtract this number. ಇದರೊಳಗ subtract ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Sir, we cannot understand that problem means. I told every time you should compare the numbers, which is bigger and which is smaller, because subtraction rule compulsory you should subtract bigger number to smaller. Bigger number ಒಳಗೆ smaller number ಅನ್ನು subtraction ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Understand? Now, but question understand means you understood means no problem. First of all, subtract 77 liter from 99 liter. ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಇದನ್ನ subtract ಮಾಡಿ. Then you should write here 99 liter minus 77 liter. This is the given problem, 1 marks question. Then 9 is subtract 7 easily because 9 is bigger, 7 is smaller. Then 9 minus 7 it is 2. So 9 minus 7 it is also 2. Okay. It is 22 liters. The difference it is we should call difference. Okay, write down this one. All of you write down this. Now we are going to discuss about second one problem. Second one, 86 liter 770 milliliter subtract from 88 liter 900 milliliter. This is the question. Okay, you have to understand the given problem. 86 liter 770 milliliter subtract from 88 liter 900 milliliter. It is also same. this number you should write first, then you have to write this number below because that is bigger number. Then they given also that type, that number, this number you have to subtract with that number. Understand? First of all, numbers write properly, because here given 88, you wrote 89 means your answer should be right, but our purpose that is wrong. Understand? Then 88 liter 900 ml minus 86 liter 770 ml. Okay. Then you have to subtract here. 0 is subtract 0, it is also 0. Then 0 is not subtract 7. You take a borrow, it is 10. 10 minus 7, easily you have to do mentally. I told 7 times. Okay, you have to do mentally. It is 3. 9 is subtract 7 plus 1, 8. Because 1 carries there means you should add here, then you have to subtract. 9 plus minus 8 is 1. Then 130 milliliters, it is liter. 8 minus 6, it is easily subtract. It is 2. 8 minus 8, it is 0. Then answer is 2 liter 130 milliliters. Okay. Write down that one. Okay, dear students, in your textbook, page number 66. Here, now all of you open page number exercise 13.4. Look at here, exercise 13.4. Subtract the followings are given. Subtract the followings. One is 800 milliliter minus 500 milliliter. It is very easy to subtract. First of all, you should solve in your textbook only. Afterwards, you should write in your book. Compulsory you should do that homework. Then 500 milliliter, 350 milliliter, 181 milliliter, 81 milliliter. Now I will solve fifth one only, and remaining all of you only solve. Okay. Fifth one problem. 169 liter 870 milliliter, then minus 25 liter, then 450 milliliter. Okay, this is the given question. Okay, then 0 minus 0 always 0. 7 minus 5, because 7 is bigger, 5 is smaller, that should be easily subtract. Then 7 minus 5, it is 2. 8 minus 4, it is how much? 8 minus 4, it is, tell me how much? It is 4. Then it is liter and it is milliliter. 9 minus 5, 4. 6 minus 2, it is 4. 1 as it is directly. 144 liter and 420 milliliter. This is the answer. Okay, write down this answer. And fourth one is there. Fourth one, 29 liter 870 milliliter minus 14 liter 600 milliliter. Okay, this one all of you do. Afterwards we have discussion about words problem. Yes, now we are going to discuss about words problem. Okay, now in your textbook only is given more problems are there. Sarita bought 3 liter 500 ml of kerosene. She used 2 liter 250 ml. She used 2 liter 250 ml of kerosene. quantity of kerosene remains. This is the given problem. All of you look at your textbook. It is given the question, first one question. Sarita bought 3 liter 500 ml milliliter of kerosene. Kerosene means you know CMA. What is that CMA? In stove we are using CMA. That is it we want because of village people are using more because they given ration. Understand? She used that Sarita bought. Bought means how much liter? 3 liter 500 ml of kerosene she bought. Afterwards, she used 2 liter 250 ml of kerosene. How much quantity of kerosene remains? First of all, you should write used means it is already finished. Total kerosene 3 liter 500 ml. Then used kerosene 2 liter 250 ml. Used means it is loss. Then loss means you should subtract. ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಮುಗಿದು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. Yes, that should be less. Then first of all you should write answer total Sarita bought kerosene quantity is equal to kerosene quantity how much? 3 liter 500 ml. Okay. Then used kerosene quantity is used kerosene quantity is 2 liter 250 ml. 2 liter and 250 ml. Okay. Then next remaining quantity of kerosene is you have to subtract afterwards what is the answer, that is your quantity of remaining kerosene. 0 minus 0 always 0. 0 is not subtract 5, you take a borrow, then it is 10. 10 minus 5 it is 5, then 5 minus 3 it is 2, then 3 minus 2 it is 1. Okay, 1 liter 250 milliliter kerosene is remains. Okay, ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್, ಡಿವಿಷನ್, ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ವಿಚ್ ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ, that one you should think afterwards you have to solve. Okay, right now. Next we are going to discuss about fourth one problem. In 500 milliliter of cold drink bottle, only 320 milliliter of cold drink is left. How much cold drink is consumed? consumed. Look at the problem. It is twist problem, but easy. You understood means it is very easy, but you cannot understand means it is twist. In 500 ml of cold drink bottle is there. 500 ml means it is the half liter. Understood? Yes or no? 1 by 2 ml. It is half liter. In 500 ml of cold drink bottle, only 320 ml of cold drink is left. Left means ಉಳಿತು. How much cold drink is consumed? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕುಡಿದ್ರು ಅದನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಟೋಟಲ್ quantity of cold drink is 500 ml. Then the quantity of left cold drink is 320 ml. Then 0 minus 0 always 0. 0 is not subtract 2 because 0 is smaller than 2. That's why you take a borrow. 10 minus 2 it is 80. 5 minus 4 it is 1. Total consumed cold drink is 180 ml. 180 ml. Okay. Write down this problem in your textbook. All of you open your textbook. Look at here. In 500 ml of cold drink bottle, only 320 ml of cold drink is left. How much the cold drink is consumed? You have to write here that problem. Okay. Answer also you should write here. Okay. Second one. The capacity of the milk cooker is 2 liter 500 ml. This contains 1 liter 500 200 ml of milk. How much more milk can be filled in the vessel? This is the given problem. The capacity of the milk cooker is, okay, one bigger milk container is there. Okay, that milk container should have capacity how much? 2 liter 500 ml. ಒಂದು ಪಾತ್ರೆ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಪಾತ್ರೆಯೊಳಗ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹಾಕಬಹುದಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಲೀಟರ್ 500 ml ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2.5 ಲೀಟರ್ ಹಾಲನ್ನ ತುಂಬಬಹುದು. But this contains 1 liter 200 ml of milk. How much more milk can be filled in the vessel? But already milk is there. How much milk is there? 1 liter 200 milliliter of milk is there. And how much milk, more milk to be filled? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಎಷ್ಟು milk ಹಾಕಬಹುದು? ಅದ್ರಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹಿಡಿತೈತಿ milk? 2 liter 500 ml milk ಹಿಡಿತೈತಿ. But ಇವರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಹಾಕಿದಾರೆ ಈಗ? 1 liter 200 ml of milk is already there. But how milk cooker capacity is 2 liter 500 ml. Already milk cooker has milk is 1 liter 200 ml. 1 liter 200 ml. Okay. Then 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 5 minus 2, it is 3. 2 minus 1, it is 1. 1 liter 300 ml. Okay. Then how much? Therefore, 1 liter 300 ml more milk to be filled. This is the answer. Okay. Write down this one in clearly in your second question. Look at here. All of you write here correctly. Okay. Then remaining 1 and here 1 is there. 5. These problems you have to solve own. Okay. What is the problem? Fifth one. Rajiv fills 12 liter 800 ml of petrol to his car. After traveling a certain distance, only 3 liter 500 milliliter of petrol is remaining in the tank. How much petrol was used for the journey? Total filled petrol quantity 12 liter 800 ml. Then total remaining petrol quantity 3 liter 500 ml. Then you have to subtract. Answer should be coming. That is the used petrol. Okay. You have to write that one. And remaining here one problem is there. The capacity of water tank is 500 liter. The tank contains 375 liter of water. How much water should be poured to fill the tank to its capacity? Already 375 liter water is there, but you have to subtract 500 minus 375. This your answer should be coming. Okay. Next one is estimation of values. Estimation of value. Okay. Dear students, estimation means we are not telling perfect, we are telling imagination. We have to imagine, then we have to tell the answer. Okay. For example, one water bottle is there. This water bottle, all of you see water bottle. I will ask, stand up and tell me how much water to be occupy this water bottle. ಈ ಒಂದು ವಾಟರ್ ಬಾಟಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ನೀರು ಹಿಡಿತೈತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ನೀವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ? someone are telling 1 liter, someone are telling 750 milliliter, someone are telling 2 liter, 3 liter, this type are telling, but don't know fixed quantity. ಇದ್ರಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹಿಡಿತೈತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು perfectly don't know. Okay, that is the estimation of the value. This ink marker is there. How much ink should be filled? This marker means someone are telling 5 milliliter, 5 ml, 6 ml, 10 ml. No one are telling perfect answer. That is we should call estimation of the value. Okay, we had discussion in your textbook. So many problems are there. For example, look at here. Page number 68. All of you open page number 68. Okay. Then given there exercise 13.5, put a tick mark on the correct option to show the estimated capacity of the following. One glass is there. Yes or no? that glass have 200 milliliter or 200 liter. Yes, it's not possible. It is 200 liter, not it 200 milliliter. This answer should be right. Then second one vessel is there. Okay, that vessel have 20 liter or 500 ml. You have to look at that vessel, then you have to tell the answer. It is correct answer 20 liter, not possible. It is 500 ml. Okay, then one bottle is there, water bottle. That water bottle capacity 500 ml or 6 liter. It's 500 ml. Okay, then here one tea vessel is there, that should be filled 1 liter capacity or 8 liter capacity. It should be 1 liter. Then one bucket is there, 15 liter or 15 ml. Ml means this much only, not this much only. It is 15 liter. Then one injection is there, it is 10 milli or 10 liter. It not possible. It is 10 milli. Okay, look at that. And here given some problems. Fill the blanks by estimated volume of water in the school tank. One school, in your school tank is there, but your school tank have how much capacity of water? Someone are telling sir 1000 liter, someone are 500 liter, someone are 2000 liter, someone are 4000 liter, but not telling perfectly. You have to tell estimately, no problem. Yes, 1000 liter. Volume of water in a water jug, one water jug is there, that is sir 2 liter. Volume of water in cow drinks per day. ಒಂದು ಕೌ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಆಕಳು ಒಂದು ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಲೀಟರ್ ನೀರು ಕುಡಿತೈತಪ್ಪ ಅದು? ಸರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ ಇನ್ 10 ಲೀಟರ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್ 10 ಅಡಲ್ಟ್ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ ಡೇ. ಒಬ್ಬ ಯುವಕ, ಒಬ್ಬ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಒಂದು ದಿನದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ನೀರು ಕುಡಿಬೇಕು? 4 to 5 liter. Then you have to write there 4 liter. Then you have to write here your own answers. Write the estimated volume and actual volume of the following by measuring with standard unit of measurement. Okay, water in a water filter. You have in your own home, you have to solve the problem. Okay, thank you.